and colors oh so bright. They're painting pictures, what a sight! Paint, 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 let's paint away with the lions, tigers, and the blue jay. Red, green, yellow, and a little blue. All the animals are painting too. The elephant paints with its trunk so long, making pictures as it hums a song. The monkey splashing colors here and there, painting bananas, trees, and a bear. Paint, 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 let's paint away with the lions, tigers, and the blue jay. Red, green, yellow, and a little blue. All the animals are painting too. The zebra stripes with black and white. The parrot's colors are so bright. The turtle paints so slow and neat, while the bunny hops with happy feet. Paint, 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 let's paint away with the lions, tigers, and the blue jay. Red, green, yellow, and a little blue. All the animals are painting too. In the jungle, when the day is done, all the animals had so much fun. With pictures painted everywhere, they all shout, "We love to share!"
In the sky, the rainbow glows with colors bright in rows and rows. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Indigo and violet too. Let's pretend and take a flight on the rainbow, pure delight. Sliding down from cloud to sea, splashing colors wild and free. We'll paint the world with every hue, pink and purple shining new. Wherever we go, the colors beam in our happy rainbow dream. Every day's a rainbow ride, with colors dancing side by side. So close your eyes, count to 3, and let's explore the rainbow way. We'll find a land of candy trees, where lollipops sway in the breeze. Chocolate rivers sweet and slow, with sprinkles falling like the snow. The birds all sing a rainbow song as we skip and hop along. Butterflies with wings so bright join our colorful delight. We'll visit stars that twinkle high in the colors of the sky. Each one whispers soft and clear tales of rainbows far and near. Bouncing on a rainbow bed, dreams of colors fill our head. Purple ponies, green giraffes, make us giggle, make us laugh. The moon joins in with silver light, turning dark to day so bright. We'll chase the beams from night to noon, riding on a rainbow moon. In our garden flowers bloom, painting rainbows room to room. Sunflowers yellow, roses red, colors dance above our head. The raindrops fall, but do not fear, they bring the rainbow even near. With each drop the colors grow, making magic, watch it glow. In rainbow seas we'll sail our ship, on colorful waves we take a trip. Jellyfish and fish so bright guide us through the glowing night. We'll find a castle made of light, with rainbow walls shining bright. Inside the treasure that we'll see is the joy of colors wild and free. The rainbow bridge will lead us home, but in our hearts we'll always roam through the skies, the fields, the streams,